Look no further than the 2019 Kia Sorento. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in this sleek Sorento. Prepare to fall in love with its spacious cabin with comfortable seating for 7, its super smooth ride, and its standard infotainment system. All-weather capability and crossover convenience make it an ideal road trip machine. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio. Feel energized every time you take the wheel of this handsome Sorento. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.